Homeowners in St. James are always looking for ways to improve comfort while keeping energy bills under control. One of the most effective upgrades is professional window installation. Windows play a major role in regulating indoor temperatures, and modern designs can significantly cut down on wasted energy. Here's a closer look at how window installation in St. James helps boost energy efficiency and why it's an investment worth considering. Improved insulation for year-round comfort. Old or poorly installed windows often allow outside air to seep indoors, forcing heating and cooling systems to work harder. In St. James, where seasonal temperature changes can be dramatic, this means higher utility bills and reduced comfort. Newly installed windows feature advanced insulating technologies such as double or triple panes, argon gas fills, and low emissivity coatings. These features create a barrier that keeps warm air inside during the winter and blocks heat from entering during the summer. Proper installation ensures there are no gaps or leaks around the frames, maximizing the insulation benefits. Lower heating and cooling costs. Energy efficiency isn't just about staying comfortable, it's about saving money. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, St. James homeowners can significantly reduce the load on HVAC systems. This means fewer cycles for heating units in the colder months and less strain on air conditioners during hot summers. According to industry estimates, energy-efficient windows can lower heating and cooling costs by up to 25 to 30%. Over time, these savings offset the initial investment in new windows, making them both a practical and financially smart choice. Enhanced natural lighting without heat gain. One overlooked aspect of window installation is the role of natural light. Modern window designs allow more sunlight into living spaces without bringing in unwanted heat. Low-E glass is designed to reflect infrared rays, which cause heat gain, while still letting in visible light. For St. James residents, this means you can enjoy bright, naturally lit rooms without worrying about skyrocketing cooling costs in the summer. Better natural lighting also reduces the need for artificial lights during the day, cutting electricity usage even further. A greener choice for eco-conscious homeowners. Energy-efficient windows don't just benefit your wallet, they also reduce your home's carbon footprint. By lowering the amount of energy required to heat and cool your home, you're directly reducing greenhouse gas emissions from power plants. St. James residents who are committed to sustainable living will appreciate that window installation is a long-term step toward greener living. Choosing Energy Star-rated windows adds an extra level of environmental responsibility while ensuring top performance. Increased home value and long-term investment. In addition to improving energy efficiency, professional window installation adds value to your property. Buyers in St. James recognize the importance of energy-efficient features, and modern windows often make a home more appealing in the real estate market. The combination of energy savings, improved aesthetics, and reduced maintenance needs makes window installation a high-return investment. It's one of the few upgrades that pays back in both comfort and resale value. Why professional installation matters. Even the best energy-efficient windows won't perform as intended if they aren't installed correctly. Gaps, misalignment, and poor sealing can undermine all the benefits of modern window technology. That's why working with experienced installers in St. James is essential. Professionals ensure a precise fit, proper insulation, and long-lasting performance. They can also advise on the best window styles and materials for your specific home, maximizing energy efficiency without compromising on appearance. Final thoughts. For homeowners in St. James, window installation is more than just an upgrade, it's a smart step toward greater energy efficiency. With better insulation, lower energy bills, enhanced natural light, and a positive environmental impact, modern windows offer benefits that last for decades. Whether you're looking to cut costs, improve comfort, or make your home more sustainable, investing in professional window installation is one of the most effective decisions you can make.